Okay, English 12 for Wednesday, April 22nd. Your previous assignment was to read chapters 7 and 8, and then I had you respond to a couple of prompts. So I believe my first prompt was, why at this point in the novel do you think Janie snaps on Jody? And, at this point they've been married for, upwards of about 20 years. She's in her late 30s. He's probably close to 50. And he's kind of on a downward trend here. He's gaining weight. He's moving slower. And eventually in chapter 8, he dies. Okay, so hopefully you're able to find some things there. Mainly, Janie is sick of being stuck in the store all the time, having Jody tell her what to wear and how to wear her hair, and what to do all the time, and calling her out in front of the rest of the community. So obviously that was kind of building up for a while. And unfortunately he doesn't take that well, because we know Jody's a bit of an egomaniac. I mean, that's why he was able to do what he was able to do in the town of Eatonville. And that kind of takes us to the next question. Tell me how Jody was both a good person and kind of what he lacked. So obviously, he was a good person for, seeing an opportunity, taking it, making the most of it, trying to help other people out in the community, but at the same time neglecting his wife, bossing people around, thinking he's never wrong. So he's kind of a mixed bag when it comes to, is he a good person or not? Okay, so our focus for this assignment and tomorrow's assignment, I try to keep them short and sweet, people. Okay, both reading assignments are relatively short. So we're just going to work on various kind of close reading skills. All right, so your assignment here is to read chapters 9 and 10. And I'll add that here. It looks like I forgot to put that. So yeah, chapters 9 and 10. And so your first prompt deals with just the very first paragraph of chapter 9. So how is Jody's funeral kind of the opposite of Willie Loman's? So think back to that last part of Death of a Salesman, that epilogue part, right, where they all meet after Willie drives off in his car and kills himself. Okay, the second one, what kind of symbolic gesture is Janie burning her head rags? Okay, so think about that a little bit. They talk about her hair a lot. It's kind of symbolic for something. Okay, and then lastly, we find out how Janie really felt about her grandma/nanny. Okay, so based on what we've learned about her throughout the novel, why do you think she feels this way at this point in her life? Okay, again, she's a mature woman, although she looks young, and she's got a lot of life left in her. Okay, so think about kind of, the last almost 25 years of her life has been kind of dictated by other people. Okay, so just 1 or 2 sentences for each, and type those up and send them as always. Okay, if you got any questions, let me know. All right, see you later. All right, one last thing I forgot. I just added in chapter 10, TK teaches Janie to play checkers or chess. So what interest of yours would you like to teach somebody, and why is it important to you? So for instance, maybe I would like to teach somebody about my favorite author. Okay, because I spent a lot of time reading his stuff and writing a big paper about it. I just think he's really talented, and you can gain a lot from reading his stuff. So just tell me briefly what you would like to kind of turn somebody on to and why. Okay, see you.